Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You know, people often ask me, Neil, what's your favorite fact about the universe? And sure, black holes are cool and galaxies colliding is pretty metal, but you know what I really love? Fun facts. Today we're diving into some fun facts that will not only entertain you, but also make you look smarter in any conversation. So buckle up, get ready to expand your mind, and maybe, just maybe, we'll even blow your mind a little bit. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a trip back in time, all the way to ancient Egypt. Imagine archaeologists carefully dusting off artifacts in a hidden tomb, and they stumble upon a sealed jar. They pry it open, and guess what? It's honey. And here's the kicker, it's still good. Honey possesses these incredible properties that make it practically immortal. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old, and they're still perfectly edible. Honey has this amazing low water content and high acidity, creating an environment where bacteria and microorganisms just can't survive. So next time you sweeten your tea with a dollop of honey, think about this. You could be tasting the same sweetener enjoyed by pharaohs millennia ago. Prepare to have your mind blown, because we're about to unravel a botanical mystery that'll leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about fruit. Brace yourselves, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. I know, it sounds like I'm pulling your leg, but it's the truth, and it all comes down to seeds. Botanists define a berry as a fruit that develops from a single ovary and contains one or more seeds. Think blueberries, grapes, even watermelons, they fit the bill. Now, here's where it gets wild. Bananas develop from a single ovary and contain tiny little seeds, though we usually eat them before they mature. So, bam, bananas are berries. Strawberries, on the other hand, develop from multiple ovaries on a single flower. Those tiny white specks on the outside of a strawberry, those are actually the true fruits, each containing a single seed. The juicy red part we adore, that's just the swollen flower receptacle. Mind-blowing, right? So there you have it. Science has spoken. Bananas, berries, strawberries, imposters. Spread the word.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to delve into the mind-boggling realm of genetics. Get this, humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. Yes, you heard that right, bananas. Now, before you start questioning your lineage or searching for a peel on your morning commute, let me clarify, this doesn't mean we're half banana. What it does mean is that a surprising amount of our genetic code overlaps with that of a banana. We both need energy to function, we both grow and develop, and we both share a common ancestor way back in the evolutionary tree of life. So when you peel that banana for a snack, remember you're not just enjoying a delicious and nutritious treat. You're also connecting with a distant relative on the grand tapestry of life. Now that's something to chew on. Let's blast off on a cosmic adventure to our planetary neighbor Venus, a world shrouded in mystery and an incredibly thick atmosphere. Now Venus is a bit of an oddball, and here's why. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. You heard me right, talk about a long day. Here on Earth, we take for granted that a day is the time it takes our planet to rotate on its axis, about 24 hours, and a year is the time it takes to orbit the Sun, about 365 days. But Venus dances to its own celestial tune. It has an incredibly slow rotation on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. That's longer than it takes Venus to orbit the Sun, which takes about 225 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday twice before a single sunrise. It just goes to show that space is full of surprises. Dive into the ocean depths with me and let's explore the fascinating world of octopuses, those masters of camouflage and intelligence. These cephalopods are already incredibly cool with their 8 arms, their ink-squirting defense mechanisms, and their ability to solve complex puzzles. But here's a fact that'll really blow your mind. Octopuses have 3 hearts. That's right, 3 hearts pumping away to keep these amazing creatures going. 2 of those hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through the gills, extracting oxygen from the water. The 3rd heart circulates the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, providing the energy these active creatures need. It's just another example of the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these fun facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting content. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, from the vastness of space to the intricacies of the natural world right here on Earth. Drop a comment below with your favorite fun fact or any other cool facts you know. Let's keep the conversation going and continue to learn from each other. Keep those brains buzzing, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.